Hi, I'm Mark, Managing Director of Heritage Car Insurance. If you own a classic 4x4 or you're thinking about buying one, insurance works a little differently compared to a modern vehicle. Many classic 4x4s have rising values, specialist parts and unique usage patterns. That means standard car insurance doesn't always provide the right protection. In this video, I'll explain how classic 4x4 insurance works, what it covers, and what owners should look for when choosing a policy. So what is a classic 4x4? A classic 4x4 is usually an older four-wheel drive vehicle that is kept for enthusiast use rather than daily commuting. Some well-known examples include the Land Rover series models, classic Range Rover, Land Rover Defender, Toyota Land Cruiser, and Jeep CJ and early Wrangler models. Many of these vehicles were originally designed for utility or off-road work, but today they are owned by collectors, enthusiasts, and weekend drivers. Classic 4x4s often have characteristics that standard insurers don't fully understand. For example, rising vehicle values, restoration work, modifications for off-road use, and limited annual mileage. Many owners also keep these vehicles as part of a collection or use them mainly for shows, club events, or weekend drives. A specialist classic policy is designed to reflect how these vehicles are actually used. What does classic 4x4 insurance typically cover? Classic 4x4 insurance policies are designed for enthusiast vehicles rather than everyday transport. Typical cover can include agreed value, so the vehicle's worth is confirmed in advance, cover for restoration or modifications, limited mileage policies, European touring cover, and club and show use. These features help ensure the vehicle is properly protected and valued correctly. Do modifications affect classic 4x4 insurance? Many classic 4x4s do have modifications. Owners often upgrade things such as suspension systems, wheels and tyres, winches and off-road equipment, and engine upgrades. With specialist insurance, these changes will need to be declared and included in the policy, and depending on the type of modification, often doesn't increase the premium. This helps avoid problems if a claim is later made. What affects the cost of classic 4x4 insurance? Several factors influence the price of cover. These include the value of the vehicle, storage and security, annual mileage, driver experience, and the level of restoration or modifications. For example, a classic 4x4 kept in a garage and used occasionally for events may cost less to insure than one used frequently or stored outside. In many cases, yes. Many classic 4x4s have increased in value in recent years, particularly models like the classic Range Rover or early Land Rover Defenders. Agreed value cover means the insurer and owner agree the vehicle's value in advance. If the vehicle is written off, that agreed amount is paid. This avoids disputes about market value at the time of a claim. Classic 4x4s are an important part of motoring history. Many owners restore and preserve these vehicles for years. Having the right insurance helps protect both the vehicle and the time and investment that goes into owning it. At Heritage Car Insurance, we specialise in protecting classic vehicles and helping enthusiasts find cover suited to how their cars are used. If you'd like advice or a quote, you can get in touch through the links in the description.